quilting friends, it's Carolina Moore, your favorite sewing and quilting YouTuber here, and today I have a new toy to try out. I haven't even taken this one out of the package yet. It is the wool mat cleaning tool, and with wool mats being so incredibly popular, I wanted to give this a try. I have no less than 3 wool mats here in my sewing room, so this could definitely come in handy. You ready? Let's try it out. Okay, so here we have our packaging. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. There we go. And it's just attached here with a little tie, so I'm gonna do that. And there's nothing like sharp or painful on here. It's like kind of like grooved metal. Feels like just like groovy metal. And so I'm just going to take this and run it across. And it's definitely picking up like those loose threads. 100%. Oh, absolutely. You can see it's probably some like hair from the kitty cat that's on here. Look at all that it's getting up. Oh, that's super easy to use. I don't need a lot of pressure on here. Alright, that's actually really fun. How fun is that to just see all this like yuck come right off this wool mat? Now, I'm actually allergic to wool, so you can see me being a little bit careful with this. I'll be washing my hands right after this video and not touching my face because, yeah, I'm allergic to wool, but these wool mats are just so good. So, and it completely revived my mat. Now, I actually want to flip this over to the other side because you can see on the other side here, I have some of these like stains. They're actually burns from my iron. And so I'm wondering if this mat can kind of help pull away some like the wool bits from those stains. So I'm going to start by giving this, like I'm definitely getting a good layer of nonsense off of there. Well, I'm definitely getting some of this burnt layer off. Okay, I'm trying it both directions and it's not really a both directions kind of tool. Ooh. Look at that. I mean, this was already made a little bit lighter, but look at that. Okay, I'm going to tack this one now. Okay. I've given this a really, I took quite a bit of scuzz off of there. And to my eye, it does look a little bit better. This one looks a whole lot better, but I think this one was just a deeper burn. So, I mean, just getting this one off is already a big deal. And this other side, this side looks brand new. So, while it looks like it won't get out the super terrible stain burns, and I think if it did, I'd probably end up just like wearing like a divot into my wool mat, which is not what I want either. But like for just cleaning it up, tidying it up, and getting some of like the little singe marks out, this is pretty awesome. All right, so this is the wool mat cleaning tool. Yes, the wool mat cleaning tool. I'm gonna link it down below for you so that you can find it easily. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's kind of a little magic wand for your wool mat. So go find that link below. And that's it for today, my friends. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel because I talk about a lot of different quilting tools, but also give a lot of different quilting tips and tutorials and projects. So be sure to subscribe so you can get those. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. I will see you right here real soon. Bye for now.